Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my LoRiders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a LoRider, don't worry about that because you can become one. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and then that bell next to that subscribe button, and you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is day 10. No, I've taken day 11, unit 11 of wearing a different unit every week for every day for the rest of September. I'm tripping, you guys. Anyway, it's from Braid Queens. It's a box braid wig. It has 3 clips, 2 straps, and it's a frontal. You guys, this unit is really cool. I love it because you can do so many different styles with it. And yeah, I see it's unfocused also, and I'm glad it's unfocused because you really can't see the mascara like that. But yeah, that's that. It'll focus up in a little bit. See, told you. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch it all the way through. And again, if you're not a LoRider already, hit that subscribe button so that you can become one of my LoRiders. Okay, guys, I'm back. My battery died. Now let me go in and do my, I think that I might have to, I don't know. I remember this being one of the ones that I may have cut off too much lace, but I think what I'm going to do is cut some more off. And I can just push it back and then pull my baby hairs out. They look just as good. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Let me get this out. These scissors out. Hopefully I don't jack it up. Yeah, because that was a little bit too much lace showing for me. Yep, and do that like that. And what I'm gonna try to do something different, but then can I do that? Can I? I might not even do baby hairs, y'all. I might not. And this goes all the way across. All the way across. And I'm just going to do one little. Look at that, y'all. I'm glad I cut that little extra lace off because it was irritating. Child, these 2 little baby hairs on this thing got the nerve to act like they want to do something. So, shoot, let me see. Might not even look right way down here, but then again, I'll just do it. Just because they're acting like they want some action. I'm sorry, you guys. I got to look over in this because I can't see with that light shining. Once again, I told y'all. Let that sit on for a hot secondo. And you guys, this is really convenient because after buying this, I was like, I will never, ever, 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 ever sit down nowhere for no hours and get braids in my hair. It just ain't gonna happen. Take it down because I'm not using it right now. Look at that. Looks like a whole head full of braids, huh? You can do different. You can pull it up. Long as heck though. In real life, I don't think I've ever got braids this long. I said real life, y'all. I do you hang it like this. Let me get a ponytail holder. I'm trying to make it look as neat as possible, y'all, because ooh-wee, I am pulling and I can pull the lace back. Okay. I'm sorry, you guys. I have to turn this way so I can see what I'm doing because I cannot see. Okay. Put the thing on it. Look at that, you guys. Look at that there. Okay, there we go. Better, you guys can see the whole head. Look at that. That's cute. And then let me see, I can wrap some around here. You can actually do a lot of styles with this one because it's like individual braids, box braids. Look how I did that right there. Cute, huh? Pull these forward. Let me take this off, hopefully. See, look at that, you guys. That is so cute. Okay. Okay. Did I put the thing up? Oh, no. I don't know why I put it up. And oh, here it is. I think, nope. A little bit of Eben on my finger. On my finger. Okay, guys, look. That's kind of cute. I like it, though. I haven't worn it up like this at all. This is cute. That's one way you can wear it up. And let me see. You can bring it all the way up. Have the whole front up. Or, there's so many styles you can do with this, you guys. I should have took a picture of this pony. Where my camera at? Let me get this picture up. I just messed it up. Go Lola. Okay. Let me do it up again, you guys. Just for the sake of pictures. Just for the sake of the pics. Go. I know I'm doing this all wrong. Not wrong, but I'm trying to take a shortcut because even though I don't have nothing to do today, I want to enjoy my Tuesday off. Well, it's not even off because I did work. Look, you guys, I'm twisting around like this. Look at this. Look at that. Got that bun going on. That bun. My freaking camera keep... Maybe it's... Shit, this stand. Because I have so many different stands. Oh no, I need to get together. Shoot. Here we go. Maybe I should just scoot back so... There we go now. Little friend. Y'all, I'm just having some difficulties today. Okay, got the bun action going on. Okay, now there's a gang of styles you can do with this wig. And of course, my favorite is just like this. Put some of these over here. And this is my signature style with braids. Just put some bobby pins right here and have it going back, or do these like this. Take these, pull them back, and take them from the side, pull them back, and look. I ain't got that laid down, you guys, but y'all get the gist of it. Do all kind of stuff. Twist it. I could be here all day long showing you guys styles for this. But this wig, this unit, somebody said, they don't call them wigs anymore, they call them units. I'm gonna call it what the heck I want to call it, especially when I bought it, shoot. This ain't sponsored. Put that over like that, you guys. Yeah. Let me show you guys how long it is. Look at that. Super long, huh? Super long. Oh, can y'all see it? Super long. It is way past my butt. And this is how I'm going to be wearing it today. Okay. Anyway, you guys, again, this wig is from Braid Queens. It's their box braid unit. Love it. It wasn't that expensive. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own coins. And again, it wasn't sponsored. So go to Braid Queens. I'll put their information in the description box, and that's it. All I used on this wig was, again, the Eben Wonderlace spray, Wonderlace Bond Adhesive spray, I should say, and the unit. And that's it. So, yeah, that's it. Day 11, Unit 11. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, that you will subscribe. Who wouldn't want to be one of my LoRiders? And it's not having to do with a LoRider card, you know, my riders, and I'm Lola, so y'all my LoRiders, okay? Okay, guys, I have to come back and start recording with my iPhone Pro Max 13 because the battery died on my camera. So I was gonna show you guys my makeup. It ain't even a routine, you guys, so y'all know how I feel about makeup. So I couldn't find my MAC Chestnut, but I found this little brown one, and it's by CoverGirl. What color is it? Rich Brown, number 505. This little thing. Line my lips with it, then my eyebrows. And I like this better because I don't like the black, dark black eyebrows. Don't work for me. And then this, just an eyeliner. And this is, again, this is a Maxi. I think I got this from beauty supply store somewhere. And then my lashes. Y'all see my lashes? They're actually, this mascara is really good. I got it off of Facebook. I think I told you guys about it before. And it's the two-step, why am I struggling? Let me put my glasses on, y'all, because I need these for real, okay? It's the two-step Vibely mascara. Excuse me, you guys. And I line my lips with the Maybelline liner. And then I use this also Maybelline. It says lifter gloss. And it's not so shiny, but it has like a iridescent something to it. But I like the packaging too. Look at this. That's cute, isn't it? Can't really see it. Okay. There you go. Maybelline Lifter Gloss. And that's that for the makeup, you guys. There's no foundation on my face, no powder, no nothing. Just liner, eyeliner, mascara, lip liner, and lip gloss. That's it. And that's all. I keep it simple. You don't get to have skin like this. It's nice. No pimples, no blemishes, no nothing, because I'm not going to put 7 steps of makeup on my face to have my skin break out, and then I'm going to a dermatologist and getting skin peels and all that stuff. It's not that serious for me, because if you cute, you just cute, okay? Anyway, and I'm not talking about nobody in particular. However people do their makeup, that's how they want to do their makeup. Don't come for me unless I send for you. And I ain't coming for nobody, and I ain't sending for nobody. I'm just saying, this is what I do. I have sensitive skin, and almost everything breaks me out, so I choose to not put much on my skin at all. So I'm not talking about nobody in particular. I don't care what you do with your skin or how you do your makeup, because what you eat don't make me shit. That's it. That's all I got to say. I'm out. You guys have a blessed day. I love my LoRiders, and I love the ones that's about to be LoRiders. So come on in, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me get out of here because I got stuff to do. And that's it. Stay blessed.
Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.